Hi. In this video, we will discuss all the key areas that search engines consider important while ranking websites. Then, we will learn how to optimize these areas so that you can achieve higher rankings. When search engines were newly developed, optimizing content was all about filling your website with keywords. The more keywords your website had matching to the searcher's query, the higher you ranked. It was that simple. Today, it's completely different. If you want to show up well in searches, you have got to write content that's truly useful and relevant. You can't write just for Google. You have to write content that truly answers the question that the user is asking. To begin with, search engines analyze 6 important areas of your website to determine its relevance to the searcher's intent. These areas are title, which is also known as the title tag, meta description, headline, which is also known as the H1 or header tag, body content, links, both internal and external, and images. In order to properly optimize your content, you need to add the right number of keywords in the right places for all these 6 areas. We will now look at each of them, but first, you should choose a keyword out of your list of keywords that you want to optimize the current page for. Make sure that you check the keyword search volume and its relevancy to the content of the page. Ensure that the keyword search volume is high enough for you to put in effort to optimize the content. If this is not the case for the keyword you chose, choose another one. This will help you optimize the content in the best possible manner. The first aspect of a website that a searcher will look at is the title tag. So, it is recommended that you put the keyword in the beginning of the title. You would also want to make the title as attention-grabbing as possible, while keeping it within 50 to 60 characters. Always ensure that the content following the keywords is attention-grabbing. Let's take an example. Suppose you want to write a blog on car fashion. Your keywords are Kolkata car fashion with approximately 590 searches per month. After spending time on various combinations of keywords, you decide that the title, Kolkata car fashion, keep your car in style, is suitable for your content. If you notice, it has the target keyword at the beginning, and at the same time, it looks interesting. This is more phonetic, and much better than a title tag like, keep your car in style, follow the trends in Kolkata car fashion. The second aspect that people pay attention to is the meta description. This is the text written just below the page title on the search engine results pages. You should try to stand out to your viewer so that they click on your site instead of your competitors. To do this, mention what makes you unique and answer why you are better than your competitors. We recommend watching our video on page titles and meta descriptions to better optimize these 2 areas. Next, the searcher will look at the H1 or header tag. The headline of your page should compel your readers to read ahead. As per a study by HubSpot, you have no more than 3 seconds to grasp your readers' attention, and if you don't get them interested in these 3 seconds, they will just return to the search results page, and you would have lost a potential customer. So, do not look over this aspect of your website. Here, you have more flexibility than page titles, as you don't need to have the keywords in the beginning. However, the keywords have to be used in the headline. Continuing with our earlier example, trends in car fashion that will make you fall in love with your car is a good potential headline for your page. Now that your readers have decided to continue reading the blog, you will want to maintain their interest by optimizing the main body. Optimizing the body content is not only important from readers' perspective, but also from a search engine's perspective. Google and other search engines analyze the intent of the searcher and then rank the pages according to the content of the blog. So, make sure that the body has the keywords sprinkled throughout. You need not use the same keywords again and again. There can be some variation in the keywords. So, you can start off your article with the general topic of your blog. In our example, it will be car fashion in Kolkata. But as you move forward, you can also mention the various car fashion services provided by you, the total number of cars groomed by you, etc. You can use any keyword as long as it answers the question asked. Also, maintain consistency in the blog and don't deviate from the main topic. For further improvement, end the content with the keywords. This way, Google will know for sure that you didn't deviate from the topic. In our example, you can end the topic with the upcoming trends of car fashion, or any discounts or offers that you will provide for car fashion services, etc. Another point to keep in mind is to make sure your content sounds conversational. This will keep the reader engaged to your blog. To determine the appropriate length for your article, you can use the top 10 search results for your target keywords or the keywords related to your topic. Try to have at least as many words as those articles use. If your website was built on WordPress, you can use the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant to help you in dealing with these challenges. Simply enter the target keyword and set other features according to your need and click Create Template. You will get suggestions on how to improve your page, where you can also check the suggested word limit of your blog. You can also add some of the relevant keywords from the recommendations to your blog. To find more keywords, use semrush.com. You can identify the keywords which your competitors are targeting by entering the URL of your competitors in the search bar on semrush.com. You will get the list of keywords that your competitors are targeting. We also need to look at the links that we must provide with our content, which provides more context to the visitors, and also to boost the ranking on search engines. Links can be provided in two forms, internal and external. Internal links help us to link an already existing page of our website to the blog content. Similarly, an external link is a link that takes you away from the website to a different website, where the users might find more information about the content they want. External links improves the website's authority. However, you need to ensure that these links that you use are used to align with the searcher's intent, and not just any random word. For example, if our content says that car fashion trends in Kolkata are seeing a rise of matte finish paints and hydraulic brakes. Let's say that you do not provide hydraulic brakes as a product, or do not have any content related to it. So, you can provide an internal link to the product page related to matte finish paints, and an external link to any other website which will have details about hydraulic brakes. Coming to the last point, images. Adding images and infographics to your blog improves its readability and the overall quality of content. You should always name your images using the keywords. For example, in our blog, we will upload pictures with the file name carfashionkolkata.jpg. Now, when people go into Google Images, which is the second widely used purpose of the Google search engine, they will find the image that you have used on your website, and when they click on the image, they will be redirected to your website. This will also leave a good impression on readers who require visual aids with your content or surf the web for images. To learn more about image alt tags, watch our video on image alt tags using WordPress. Finally, an important tip. When Google ranks websites, it focuses less on the specific keywords and more on the searcher's intent. Therefore, always keep in mind that optimizing your content is more about matching the intent of your target audience, and less about matching the keywords exactly. We hope this video was useful to you. We will see you in the next one.